Your Honor, the prosecution is ready.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Your Honor, the prosecution is here to prove Mr. For farting in a crowded room.
Quite a serious crime.
Your Honor.
It's not your turn.
Yeah, the defense attorney will go first.
That's not how that works, Your Honor. Prosecution goes.
Or us. Alright, fine.
Your Honor, I am here to tell you that Mr. over here is what the f is that? I didn't even finish.
Oh, sorry. There you go.
Your Honor, I'm over here to prove that Mr. has done the most diabolical act, farting within a crowded room. Have you ever done that? Have you ever been in a room that's been farted? It's like thousands of rotten eggs going off at once. It is highly disgusting. Vomit was induced on multiple occasions, Your Honor. I rest my case.
Reminds me of Shadow Nom. Alright. Defense attorney, it's your turn.
Okay. Your Honor, I would like to ask the prosecutor how many people were in this crowded room.
Oh, whoa, there's at least 30.
At least 30. And so how do you know it was my client?
It's simple. Look at that ugly face. Mother couldn't even love that.
Prosecutor, Your Honor, I would like to bring the argument, whoever smelt it, dealt it.
Your Honor, I would like
objection.
Whoever denied it supplied it.
Overruled.
Why am I always getting hit?
Let the defense finish.
No. Apparently you
It
did.
It does not have my client's DNA on it. Therefore, I don't know where I'm going with this.
I think that's the wrong.
I just clicked on something. I didn't know what would happen.
Defense attorney, I think that's the wrong piece of evidence.
No. Here, broken vase. It couldn't have been my client. He was picking up pieces of a broken vase and cleaning it up because the room was so crowded.
And what was the used tissue for? Was it to clean the vase?
Yes.
Your Honor, now, the defense attorney over there has clearly stated on grounds that the client was supposedly too busy cleaning up a broken vase. Very unlikely. Now, what if I were to tell you, you're the lovely judges and, jurors, that we found in his room a diary that we got a warrant for to break open and read. Now, upon page 69 of this diary, it was stated, gonna go to a party, fart up the room, ha ha ha, let's get it on, toot toots. Now, tell me, defense, why would your innocent client write in their diary before heading out to this big event that they're gonna fart in a public room?
How the f do you know that that's my client's?
I just said we found it in his room. Secrets exposed.
And how do you know that's his handwriting?
Easy.
Evidence can be planted.
Yes, just like that broken vase could be planted. Or that tissue that... Why the f would you even have a tissue with no DNA on it?
No.
That's weird.
Here's the thing. You know how I know my client was cleaning up that broken vase? That used tissue had his blood on it. From picking up the broken pieces, he cut his finger.
Objection, Your Honor. It's either that there was DNA or there was no DNA. It cannot be, either or.
There is blood evidence on that used tissue from my client picking up pieces of a broken vase, and he cut his finger and obviously used the tissue to wipe the blood away. I rest my case. What are you writing over there, Judge?
Notes.
I would like to present this subway ticket that was used by my defendant at a completely different time from when his intentions were to... with his friend.
Oh! Objection, Your Honor. The defense stuttered.
I have a few. What if I have a speech problem?
Your Honor, deal with it.
Is that ableism I'm seeing in my courtroom?
What? Stop!
Proceed.
Used bullet casing. Someone tried to take out my client.
Take out your client. Explain further.
Someone clearly tried to shoot my client. Why else would there be a random bullet casing? It was found at the scene of the crime. It was found at the party. Someone tried to take out my client.
Prosecution, do you have anything to this?
Yes, we do. Your Honor, I would like to call to the stand my surprise character witness. We all know this character witness well. In fact, we see him once every year on the 25th of December.
Well, Santa?
That's right, it's Santa Claus. Your Honor, Mr. Santa Claus has told me a lot of things. Juror, we agree that Mr. Santa Claus is the one to decide who's naughty and nice. So, why is it that Mr. Santa Claus has told me that Mr. Over there has been on the naughty list all his life? And why? For farting in a public room. In fact, I'll even double down on this. He's been doing this his entire life. I'm not surprised someone would try and take him out. Do you know how many medical bills that could give somebody? Vomiting. That's nutrition being lost, people. If anything, it was an act of God for that bullet to go into his skull. They just
Still alive, it missed.
That's what I'm saying. It missed. Because he blocked it with a broken umbrella!
How did the defendant procure such an umbrella?
Your Honor, my client's also a drug dealer. I'm putting in I'm putting in card number or exhibit B. No, C, sorry, it's the third one. The old suitcase that's filled with cocaine.
Just like in my old prosecution days.
That's right, Your Honor. That's right, Your Honor.
None of this is good evidence.
Your Honor, I think I'm winning this.
My witness here, which is his coworker, my defendant's coworker, she claims she has never heard him fart at all in the entire time they've been working together 15 years. She never once has heard him pass gas at all. Company events, in work, the middle of the day in meetings, he is nothing but kind and respectful to those around him. He would never, ever let some of these atomic bombs of gas loose.
In clear said, the witness has never once heard of the defendant farting, not even once in the 15 years that they've been working together. But you must ask yourself, why? Why is it that that's never happened? And I'll tell you why. They were lovers. I offer Exhibit D! Empty wine bottle found inside of her room with the defendant's DNA all over it.
Oh my.
Of course he wouldn't want to fart in front of the woman that he loves. I think that's a he. Well, it's kind of ugly. Either way.
Offense, you're out of order.
All right, Your Honor, I concede. I give up. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
I deemed Mr. Guilty.
Guilty as son.
Hey,
What kind of bullshit?
hey, I'm kind of
You gave up.
That is such a wild thing.
Hey, I'm pretty good at this lawyer thing.